Hello guys, um, welcome back again. I am going to create this video for you to use as a tutorial so that you can understand better what you have to do in your assignment. Well, the assignment is easy. You need to complete using your personal information. I am going to complete it using mine so that you can use the model and you can use it as an example. Title is gonna be Mr. for me because I am the professor, but you can use student or whatever title you want to use. My initial is gonna be Samuel. Forename is gonna be Efrain. Surname is gonna be Castillo, and a previous surname is gonna be Mojica. My gender is gonna be male. My date of birth is 25th of 5th of 1986. Preferred contact address is gonna be work. My postcode is 507. My address line is 648-6221. My telephone number is gonna be 69796838. And my contact email is hipsam255@gmail.com. I hope this can help you and open to questions.